తాజా 30.
Hello everyone, this is Srimuki. So just done with my shoot and the next most thing that I'll do is go to the gym. So gym కి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు వేసుకునే బట్టలు చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాబట్టి I wanted to share something really important and something really informative. So I'm wearing a brand called Devi right now. Once you can just go back and see. This is some super duper comfortable sports wear that I've actually worn. So gyms ki vellinappudu basically chaala mandi Indian women ki they feel very uncomfortable wearing this tight clothes to work out in front of many people. So for them, Devi is one such brand where you can actually wear comfortable clothes, loose clothes and more of Indian clothes. So ఎవరెవరు అయితే they are really very conscious about dressing while working out, Devi is the brand.
థ్యాంక్ యూ వియర్స్. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ బటన్ టచ్ చేయండి. తాజా 30 ఛానల్కు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీ మిత్రులకు షేర్ చేయండి.